And special thanks to our friends at this company who were nice enough to send us this weighted heating pad for back pain relief. The maximum temperature can reach 140 degrees Fahrenheit, and it has weights. Weighted, automatic gear shifting, machine washable, 8 different heat settings, company name. Not much to show you here in terms of an unboxing. The weighted heating pad, everything else should be in there. So we're gonna take this out, we're gonna plug it up, and I'm gonna have my wife try it and let you know what she thinks. So with this heating pad, you lay down, and then inside there is some weight, some like beady type weight, and then it's able to lay across your back. Then you've got a few options here. So once you have it plugged in, hold your power button, which actually cuts it on. Then you can control the times from half hour to an hour, hour and a half, 2 hours, 4 hours, or 6 hours. And then you can control the temp all the way up to 8. And then of course, just hold your power button again to cut it back off. So that'll essentially do it for this heating pad. Thanks again to the company who was nice enough to send it to me. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.